So hello, I'm Marek Wójkiewicz. I'm working in the Decora company on the position of Business Development Director. We chose Välinge based on their support for the new innovative products. Thanks to this, we can offer to the market the solution for the end user, which can simplify the installation. Decora chose the Välinge profiling systems based on our experience with the SPC floors, and we decided to choose the Välinge due to the universal solutions where we can use the 5G locking system for different shapes of the floor. So we can produce herringbone with the 5G, we can produce standard planks with the 5G, and also, what is our new novelty in the last year, chevron based on the 5G with the plastic insert. Last year, we were the first company who implemented 5G cross to our collection of the ceramic tiles design. So based on the 5G cross, we can use the product which is looking and is installed exactly as ceramic tiles.